Today I'll be making a simple and nutritious snack, hummus. It's our family staple and I make it weekly. I'll show you how easy it is to throw together using just ingredients you probably have in your pantry already. So today I'll be making a classic hummus. This uses chickpeas and tahini. The great thing about making it yourself is that you can add or subtract any ingredient you like from there. So if you like a spicy hummus, you can add some hot chili extra virgin olive oil, or if you like it more savory, you can use some roasted red pepper and throw that right in when you process everything. Let's get started. So I have 1/3 cup of sesame tahini, which is essentially sesame seed butter. And then we have about 6 tablespoons of cold water. You can add more or less as needed. 4 tablespoons of garlic extra virgin olive oil. If you like it spicy, you can substitute it with the hot chili oil, or you can use lemon extra virgin olive oil. But for this recipe, since I love garlic, I'll be using garlic extra virgin olive oil. It adds a nice sweetness to it as well. A 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. 1.5 teaspoons of fine sea salt. 4 medium cloves of garlic that I've peeled. That'll add a nice bright garlic flavor. The juice of 2 lemons, which comes out to about 1/4 cup, but it's important to use freshly squeezed lemon juice. Okay, so I have all the ingredients in except for the chickpeas. Put the cover on and puree until smooth, scraping down as we need. So I have 2 cans of chickpeas that I've drained and rinsed, so I'll add them and then puree until smooth. Hummus is all done, now let's serve it up. We have a nice batch for your family to enjoy, or if you have friends over, you can make a nice platter. There's no real fancy way to have hummus. So I just have some crudité and crackers, and all I need to do is spoon it in and serve it up. Make a little well, and then I'll show you how to do a nice oil drizzle inside. Alright, so now the best part. Let's try it. Amazing. Hopefully you like this as much as I do. If you have any questions or if you want to let me know how much you like it, please email me at chef@hiltonoils.com. Thank you.